We're doing the deaf, blind, and mute baking challenge, and we're baking brownies. I'm deaf. I'm blind. We need a large egg. Got one. Do we have a pan?
Bruh.
Egg me. Okay, wait. So we have to put. We should probably put this in first, right? Open it. Okay. I don't like this game.
Oh my god, what the
It's open. Put it in the bowl. Just dump it. You got it. You got it. Logan, get your hands out.
Why did y'all not cut it all the way?
What?
Bruh.
It's not all the way out.
I know that.
Bruh.
Okay, is that?
Yeah. Oh man.
Oh.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
Okay.
You got it all over Loki.
I can't see.
Okay. Now we need that much.
I wanna mix it.
We're not mixing yet.
I wanna mix it. And I wanna do the egg. I wanna do the egg.
Yeah. We need the measuring cups.
I'll get it.
Egg. Good job.
No!
Yeah.
You're a wizard.
This one. Do you want to do it or do you want her to do it?
She can't talk.
She can do it.
Bruh.
Oh, what?
Bozo. Is there anything?
Oh, there's-
I'll pour it by myself. I can do it.
It's like a light drizzle of a pee.
What did he say?
So close to the counter. I thought I was way further away. Don't touch me. Why I oughta?
Get to me. I tried.
Mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it. Oh yeah. Good to see it. Check it out, guys.
Bruh.
Aww. It feels
Clumpy.
Or is that chalky chips?
Bruh.
Leave me alone! These blindfolds on because this is what they do to me every day. They harass me. Someone save me! Help! 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 You are too loud. Stop. Fully back down. Ow. Ow! We're not friends anymore.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Pour it in! Give me that. Does it look good, guys?
Bruh.
Are we about to have a feast tonight? Out of there. I just washed my ears, so I don't want your crusty fingernails in there. Give me
Fungus.
chungus.
For my chungus life.
Who want the doodle finger?
Yummy.
So now what?
Bruh.
Now what?
Every time I feel remove, I flinch. I get scared. I feel
Huh?
like it hurt me.
Spread. Spread. No spread.
Oh, spread.
Bruh.
I'm like Bob Ross.
Get out!
That's what I thought.
Huh?
You guys aren't gonna make me put this down.
Okay, band transfer.
Transfer.
I need
bench for.
We need to lube it.
Grab the lube.
Where's the lube?
He thinks it's not fine, and Logan just can't say that out loud, so I'll be Logan's voice of reason. It's not fine! Whatever's happening, it's Bree's fault. And it's not fine. Ah!
Bruh.
Who is... No, it is Logan, I thought it was... I'm sorry, Logan. Where's Bree?
NANI? What?
Favorite song
Is it
right
reheating? No?
now?
Bruh.
Never let this slide if I can see. What's happening? What are you doing, Logan? Are you lubing it up? Are you...
Bruh.
Okay, guys, tell me, what do you think about my shirt? It's as big as a dress. I love it. I sleep in it every night. I wash it. Don't be a freak. And yeah, it's my favorite because it's kind of like a little moo-moo. But it's kind of... Harry Potter.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. So sweet.
I need to leave room for Jesus. So stupid.
Bruh.
Delaney, don't touch me right now.
I'm gonna touch you.
What did he say?
Stop! I'm putting the brownies on the plate.
Everyone's trying to be all over me.
Is this it?
In every
Now it's time for the taste test.
I'll help you.
Can I have one?
I knew you were gonna do that.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Look how small this piece is. Did you call me fat or something?
yes!
I hate my life.
It kind of tastes like if bread was a brownie.
Bruh.
I say a 9 out of 10. It would be a lot better if we had ice cream.
I like those. What a treat. Oh my god. Is this...
Guys,
Oh, you have to put that in your mouth.
I got a bone. Primary.